So this video, I was able to record it. I got a little bit late. You're gonna see me try to switch screens so you can kind of detail and show you the executions when I got in. I traded on Top Step. I'm still in the combine, so I want to go ahead and try to pass as quick as possible. But not rushing it and taking good trades and trying to explain why I'm taking this trade. So hope this video gives you some value, some educational video, and you'll be seeing a lot more coming soon. So enjoy the video.
Okay, I'm gonna show out here why I ended up buying this. This area right here. Let me I'll move this out the way. And we'll do it like this. Get this going. There we go. Okay, the reason I end up buying it right here, it came back down. We'll see this trade play out. If it does play out, I'll tell you why I bought it right here. See if we can play it out. And I want to explain why I literally just looked at my phone like last second. I was on my phone last second, and then I literally was trying to play this trade out in real time. So in real time, this even plays out, which would be cool if it did. But what I saw was we came down here, took liquidity one more time. When we took liquidity right here, this is when I saw this come back up, very impulsive. Then I looked at ES. ES had the same draw. And basically my draw is these two equal highs right here. So my draw is these two equal highs right here. But I'm not even requiring it for that. I just want to see if I can get into this. This was used as a breakaway gap, as you can see we use here. And usually when we have a breaking gap, we will literally come back in to fill it back up. Then we may come back down, then shoot back up. So I'm trying to take it out in this area, up in this area right here. But yeah, that's literally the trade. That's literally it. So when we came down, say again, came down, took liquidity right here, forming that proportion block right here. So when we came down, there was we made a proportion block, or you can call it aura block, but in my opinion, this is a proportion block because this is my aura block. Then we came back out, made another aura block. Within this aura block, now we have a proportion block. And then this should be very sensitive. So what I did was got in right here, literally bought right here as it dipped down. And I put my stop loss right here. So I didn't want this even to be coming back into 50% of this. And then as the trade's in the favor, I'm just going to try to stop. And we could end up shooting all the way back down. That's fine. It'd be cool. I'm hoping or wanting it to just go ahead and get this breakaway gap. I'm making sure that I am, and I'll do this in real time where I'm going to take profit, is wherever this is consequent encouragement, wherever this is. So I wish I had my line on here, but I don't. I'm taking it out right before consequent encouragement. So this is 50%, right? Boom. So I'm literally gonna take out a little bit before 50%. So right here. So what is that? It's coming in at 219. Is this the same thing as TradingView? Might be the same as TradingView. Not for sure. There's different using different contracts. That's what I'm saying. So if that is the same, might be the same. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put that as a break even. So at this point, I'm just letting it do what it do. If it hits it, hits it. If it don't, I learned to myself, stress myself out so much where this is where you want to see it hit it and then don't hit it and then it does hit it and then stretch yourself out. I'm not doing that anymore. Doing 50% goes here, goes there. That's what it should be doing. And yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. But yeah, that is the trade. Really trade. So and there we go. That is SGP. SGP. But the idea was it based off this now off the reasoning where we came down, dipped a little bit lower of this, took this swing out right here. That was huge. That was like literally, I think we formed SMT. Let me bring the other chart out as well. Switch y'all up on this one. Try to do this in real time while it's still going up. Yeah, we did. We formed. See that? I'm telling. I literally. I can't do that. Anyways, we literally just formed the SMT. So right here, this swing, and you see on this swing right here, we did not take that low out. So now we have an SMT. So you wanted to, mark them up. Have an SMT right there. That'll be your SMT. Then after your SMT, then I'm looking for a disrespected P array. So I was again, I literally just started looking like I literally was at the chart like literally right here on this candle because I was like, okay, we have an SMT. Well, I saw we had stop running, which is usually SMT. Then my draw liquidity was up higher. So then after I saw that was up higher, I'm like, okay, we need to disrespect this down close candle, which is right here. Right, that'd be a candle that we need to disrespect. You can see we really clearly disrespected. Then after I saw that we was clearly disrespecting, that's when I was like, okay, if we drop back down to this fair value gap right here, I was gonna buy that, which I did, and then someone like this, and then I was like, okay, I'm put my stop loss like underneath here. Because if we come back down here after disrespecting this with this SMT, I mean, my opinion, we're gonna go lower, and this wasn't the draw. You know what I mean? This wasn't the draw, or at least not right now, which is fine. It's cool. So yeah, W trade on that. You said that was the breakaway gap right there, and that's why me personally, I took it out right there. So you can hold to external liquidity, but me, this is I want if this was either like because I had so much on the account or on the trade, either this needs to be partial or this needs to be take profit on one of the two. You just can't let it come back all the way back down, in my opinion. It needs to be, yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah, they try. I did not take it on a personal account. I just took it on top step account. I just saw it, so it would been cool if I saw it, took it on personal account, but it's cool to take it on top step as well. So that's it. And that's just one of my rules when I start early. I show people on the folder. I probably make a video about that when you can trade before pre New York. The calendar tells you when you to trade pre New York. So that's something I also will talk about or make a video about as well. But yeah, new trade.